Hello YouTube, welcome to my new channel and my very first video. I'm going to be honest, I've wanted to start a space like this to document my investing journey for a while now. So I made a promise to myself that if my portfolio ever hits $250,000, I would start a YouTube channel to document and share my investment journey to whoever is interested in following along. I didn't want to be just another voice talking about what ifs. I wanted a real, proven milestone to conquer first. Well, this past week, the market had completely awesome plan. It didn't just crawl over my $250,000 threshold. It absolutely zoomed right past it. On my screen right now, this is a live look inside my actual M1 Finance main portfolio window. As of the market close this Friday, the exact total value is sitting at $257,891.37. Now, I'm not showing you this to flex, brag, or pretend I'm some multimillionaire trading guru or some Wall Street hedge fund manager because I'm not. I'm just a simple average guy who decided back on July 24th, 2020, when this exact account had a starting value of exactly $0, that I wanted to slowly build long-term wealth through simple and consistent investing. Out of this $257,000 balance, over $137,571 of it is pure market profit. That is a 288.91% lifetime money-weighted return. Okay, so let's look at what's actually driving these monster numbers lately. This past week was a total breakout for the growth side of my portfolio. I want to highlight a massive positions that really did the heavy lifting. Palantir. This have been on an absolute tear this past few days. A lot of people ask why I hold such high conviction growth like Palantir and Nvidia. It's because I believe in the long-term utility of what they're building. Watching Palantir deliver that kind of super growth over just the last couple of days is exactly why I stay the course. It's the proof in the pudding. When you hold quality growth, the market doesn't just move, it explodes. But it's not all just about the flashy growth stocks. A balanced portfolio needs a foundation. The real secret to my peace of mind is what I call my dividend anchor or core pie. This is the part of the portfolio that pays me just for owning it. Even when the market is volatile, these funds and stocks are pumping out consistent cash flow every single month. Right now, according to the Track My Dividend website account, my annual dividend income is over $15,000 a year. Think about that. That is an average of over $1,000 a month, every single month, in purely passive income. Like whether I'm spending quality time with the family, working my side hustle, hitting the gym, out on a trail riding my bike, or on a nice vacation, that money is still working for me nonstop. It's the ultimate side hustle that never sleeps. Wow. I really want to emphasize the journey part of this. Well, back in 2020, I didn't have $250,000. I had a plan. While I stayed consistent with my contributions, I didn't panic during the dips, and we had a lot of it. I kept my eyes on the long-term goal. Investing isn't a sprint, it's a marathon of discipline. And in my next future videos, I'm going to pull back the curtain even further. I'll show you my exact pie slices in M1, the growth stocks that are carrying the heavy lifting, all the moves I'll be making as I plan to move the high growth to the dividend and income payers to increase my annual income, right? And the specific funds I use to generate that monthly income. Right? So if you want to see the raw data and the real journey of a $250,000 portfolio, hit that subscribe button and follow along. We are just getting started and I can't wait to see what's next. And of course, if you have any questions or comments, please leave it below because there's always room for learning and I can always use some input and or criticism, as my main goal is to spread and receive the knowledge of investing. And thanks for watching the very first video on the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.